Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Zimmerman with Other Side Creations, and would love to introduce you to a product I created called the Energy Cards. It's a deck of cards to use to create more information, more clarity, more awareness with your body. I've been a massage therapist for 20 years and realized how much people have cut off their awareness with their bodies. Their bodies are literally screaming at them and they're not listening. So I realized, what can I do? What can I assist rather than having to do this constantly of getting the information to the people? But I wanted people to own their own information. So I created a deck of cards. There's 18 in a deck. There's an abstract picture on the front and a description on the back. There's systems of the body and the 4 realms. So with the deck, just kind of shuffle it, spread it out in front of you. You don't even have to really look at it if you don't want to, and just ask your body, hey body, what card is kind of calling out to you? So let's say you pick up the respiratory card. Hey body, what are you trying to tell me with the respiratory system? Don't go into conclusion, don't go into freak out thinking anything's wrong, because that's not the case. We're looking at it as a playful tool. And also, I'm not a medical doctor. This is not to heal or diagnose anything. So this is just to inform you about what your body is communicating with you. So back to the respiratory system. You pick that up and you realize, oh wow, I just got over a cold. So your body's communicating in that way. You don't necessarily have to do anything with it. But let's say you do want to. You can, just look at it, pretty picture, kind of the topic of color therapy perhaps, or you can put a glass of water on top of it and let it sit there for 8 hours or so, and it'll change kind of, not the structure of it, but there's some change in the water once you taste it. It's almost like a texture difference. Try it out. But also too, it can go deeper, a lot more deeper levels with each individual card too, since our bodies change every single day and we're all different with our life experiences. So there are other videos for questions based upon each card. So check those out. To get your card, to get your deck, just check out OtherSideCreations.com or TheEnergyCards.com and have fun. Step into the communication with your body. Be aware of what it's communicating with you, because kids do it every single day. Where have we lost that capacity? Have fun, learn, listen, and just have the joys and ease with your body. So check it out. OtherSideCreations.com, TheEnergyCards.com. See you later.